Okay, we're back there. You'll notice our profit is actually a little bit higher from earlier. We had a big run up, and the video was about 12 minutes, and I closed it out. I actually made a tick profit on one trade by accident. I went to close out, and I ended up going in market and closed out, so we'll not even count that there. So that's why there's a higher price. We're looking for another EET. We had a big run up. Our rules were telling us to avoid normal system entries. So we really only need a couple ticks profit. So I could take an EET for 2-3 ticks and have made my point profit. It's about 10 o'clock, 10:15 in the morning. So, yeah, or I can go ahead and try to make it a full trade, try to grab a good 4 to 6, 7 ticks off it. So I really don't need much. You know, trading 10 contracts, 500 bucks profit, $160. We're, you know, another couple $100 rather. We're right there, only a couple ticks, but we'll go for a little more. We'll keep it set up for 6 tick stop loss, 4 tick profit. We're getting ready to go short here. We're getting ready to signal, and we'll move our stop loss to the appropriate levels. Just wait for pro indicator to signal here. About after this bar closes, we should see a signal. There we go. Let's go in. Let's move our stop loss down to the appropriate level, the little red hash mark. Again, 2 ticks is all we need. 4 ticks is really put this into money, almost 1.5 profit. I'm actually going to take this down for a little bit more, see if we can get a little bit more out of the trade, make it for a nice 2+ point day. I know a lot of guys want to make more than a point profit a day, so let's drag this down just a little bit. Market looks weak. Our indicators are telling us the market's going to go down, so we'll see if we can get a little bit more off the trade, and just going to wait just a moment here. After a big run up, you typically see it slow down and go sideways a little bit. Now let's move this down. Let's go for 6 ticks. Again, right now we could jump right off, and we've already there's our 4 ticks right there. We've already got our daily profit for the day right there. I'm going for a little more, getting a little more aggressive. Stop loss is at break even. Like I said, 2 ticks was all I need. 4 ticks would be very nice profit. There's 5 ticks right there. 6 ticks will give me a really nice +2 point day in under an hour. There's our target. A lot of prints going off. Hopefully we'll get filled here in a second. Now, may shoot myself in the foot, right? We only needed 2 ticks to finish the day. We just had 6 in the bag, never got filled. This thing could move up and stop us out, shoot us in the foot. Hopefully it'll come back down. But like I said, I'm okay with this trade. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. We'll just go for one more again. We already made our profit. You've seen it. We had a losing trade, a couple recovery trades. We're up well over a point. Just here we go again. Let's see if we can get off and have a nice 2 point day. I'd like to have a nice 2 point day. Just doesn't want to fill us. So we had 2 ticks that we needed. We had 4 ticks. We even had 5 ticks. We're still not off, looking for 6. Just give this one more chance here to roll back down, see if we can get filled at a quarter, make it a super day. Yeah, and we might just got stopped out, break even on the trade. Let's move on to the next video.